Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst at SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at a technical analysis on the cryptocurrency pair BTC USD. And as usual, we first will be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down ahead to technical analysis, which, of course, is purely what we're going to be seeing on the chart. And we have noticed that over the past 24 hours, we have seen a 5% jump to the $40, 40.8K dollars. And Bitcoin has returned to growth territory with a powerful surge on Monday, closed after the all-important 40K key level. And a desperate attempt to hold on to the uptrend line from January resulted in a temporary success. And over the past 24 hours, we have seen a 5% jump to the 40.8K, while Ethereum, of course, adds about 4.5% in 24 hours, trading above $3,040. And other leading altcoins from the top 10 are adding between 3.5% for Dogecoin and 80% for Terra. The total crypto market capitalization, according to CoinMarketCap, has rose about 4.6% overnight to $1.89 trillion. And Bitcoin's dominance index added 0.3 pp to 41.0%. Now, the cryptocurrency fear and greed index declined Tuesday, added 3 points to 27 and moving into the fear territory. And yesterday, the formal trigger for Bitcoin buying was reverting US stock indices in the New York trading session to the upside. However, what is striking is that cryptocurrencies were many times more optimistic about this changing trend, suggesting demand has been waiting to surge into the market. And also noteworthy is the increased amplitude of the growth and the hottest cryptocurrencies. We have Solana, we have Terra Avalanche, and gaining more than Bitcoin. And the buying wave has not yet spread to the entire market, evidenced by Bitcoin's rising share. Now, cryptocurrencies are a system of communicating versus, of course, its level. And we have noticed that Bitcoin has been powering, of course. And right now, technical is probably what we're seeing on the chart. We have seen a series of support zones, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can attach this 5, and then a series of resistance zone in the last 72 hours, 2, as we can see, of course. And what we should be assuming right now is most likely a breakout to the upside more to correct what has been happening in recent weeks for the downtrend. So making an entry at this point and let our trade run up to this point, which is equivalent to the most recent resistance zone right after the breakout. We are looking at nothing less than 29,000 plus pips, which is about good money if you even enter with a minimal lot size, and which has an ending point at $43648.32. So having a confirmation on this also on the 4 hours time frame, we could notice, of course, that the breakout, or rather the shoot out from the most recent support zone led to a halt at this resistance zone. And now we saw a little retracement, which of course most likely could just get to a little 10-20 pips from here before an escalation to the upside. So there's a much more needed confirmation from this. We're looking out for a buy for the BTC USD pair. So that's our technical analysis from today's cryptocurrency pair, BTC USD. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now. Hello, guys. So also today we'll be looking at the stock talk, Tesla. And we are going to be sharing with you fundamentals as well as technicals of what to expect from the Tesla commodity. And we have noticed that workers will live on site until May 1st, pending changes to the city's strict COVID-0 policy as the country encounters its worst wave of virus since the pandemic early. And of course, the recent lockdowns has delayed Tesla production in China and other parts of Asia by approximately 40,000 cars. And Bloomberg has reported that the company will now provide each worker with a sleeping bag and mattress. As the facility does not have dorm accommodations, some specific areas will be allocated for sleeping, showering, entertainment, and eating, and so many others. Workers will be subject to COVID-19 testing for the first 3 days in the closed-loop system of isolation on the factory premises and have their temperatures checked twice a day and will be required to wash their hands 4 times a day. Of course, Tesla will provide 3 meals a day along with an allowance that will vary based on the position and level within the company. And apart from accommodating approximately 400 employees already on site, Tesla also issued special certificates and set up shuttle buses service to staff living in residential compounds outside the facility to join them. And Tesla did not immediately respond to Fortune requests for comments. The electric car company is not the only one to ask workers to move their lives on site in order to continue production in China. Now, also, we have noticed what effect this has on the technical part of the market. We have noticed that Tesla has been ranging for quite some time and missed out on some important zones like this support zone here. Couldn't touch it and then now rebounds back to the upside. Well, what are we expecting with this news? It's most likely going to be a decline. And now checking our daily time frame, we have noticed, of course, that the Tesla pair has been somewhat having series of ranges even on the daily time frame. So this most likely is going to be an important zone, even though it looks as if the downside is most likely in the books. But a test of this zone and a bounce back means it's going up for the uptrend back. And hopefully some news promotes the Tesla commodity is going to shoot it up back to where it started from its decline. So that's our technical analysis on today's commodity Tesla. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.